video is on our WCCO TV Facebook page. Kyle also spent a little time in our kitchen down here in the studio.
He was talking about game day foods along with Amelia and Schwann's chef, Matt Horn.
Good morning, everybody. I'm here with Vikings tight end Kyle Rudolf and Schwann's chef, Matt Horn, who's going to give us a couple of great recipes. But Schwann's has a huge presence here at Super Bowl Live.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're here celebrating our Schwann status as host sponsor committee chair. And we're a couple great recipes kind of showcasing how the diversity, simplicity, and convenience of a lot of our products and how it can kind of solve some of your home gating needs.
All right, so let's get, what do you have for us here? What do you show us?
Super simple. Chicken enchilada cups. Our two ingredients, Schwann's fire roasted chicken, and then our super sweet corn. We're going to be mixing this all together in a bowl. And then I'll have some samples right behind us ready to go.
Are you cooking, Kyle, or am I doing this?
We can do it. I can help you.
Here, you know what? I'm going to dump it all in for you, and you can mix it all together. Just the chicken diced up, some black beans, super sweet corn.
I'm more of an eater.
Okay, so that means I'm doing the cooking. Okay, so you want me to mix
a little bit of enchilada sauce. Here's your spoon. We're going to mix that together. All we're going to do is, once that's perfectly mixed, you're a pro. Magic of television. This is what you would do next. You just take a scoop of it, put it into the cup, add your cheese, and then put it in the oven at 350 for about, I don't know, about 3 to 5 minutes.
Voila.
And you can see we did these little wonton cups right in the mini muffin pan.
So these, you just get the wonton skins and you put them in the pan?
Yeah, great way to incorporate the kids in the kitchen. They love doing that. You just kind of push them down, bake them, and fill them up. And then the other one we have is our 5-cheese bread. We marinara sauce and basil, our Italian-style meatballs. And we just skewer those and bake the meatballs according to directions. And
so what do you do? You put it on here. It looks like you just cut them off.
Yeah, we just made little squares and then skewer the ball with the with a little tomato and basil.
And that's. Do you want to try that? Because I know you like to eat.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Did you want
to
do a little something there?
Hot. Here you go, man.
Let's do it.
Enjoy.
And what is all this here? Is this all the Schwann's
more
products?
offerings. Yeah, there's our teriyaki boneless wings. We have our potato cups, pizza.
It's pretty good.
Is it pretty good?
Yeah.
I'd recommend all our viewers, they got to go to schwanns.com and order all these foods.
We also have a great web app, schwanns.com. We have hundreds of recipes for a lot of your tailgating needs.
I mean, I'm going to get on for my Super Bowl party and for sure have all this stuff at the house. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. My wife will be happy that this is what I can add to our Super Bowl party. We will have the home meal advantage for sure.
Listen to you. And are you going to actually cook then, Kyle?
No, I said I'll help her prepare.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we got you.
Yeah, it's freezer oven in just a few minutes and you're good to go.
And this is also Schwann's pizza too?
Yeah, that's our special deluxe pizza. Bake that in 20 minutes at 350 degrees and you're good to go.
And you can get these products anywhere, Matt, the Schwann products?
Schwanns.com. Sign up as a new customer. We're co-partnering with Second Harvest Heartland. Every new customer gets a $5 donation to them. And we also have the web app, so super simple.
So there you go. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, I'm telling you, Jordan Rudolph is going to be very happy that Kyle is doing something. Here's the frozen food, Jordan.
Have you guys thought about your appetizers that you're dishing up on Sunday yet?
We're doing pizza.
Nice.
Yeah, we're just having a pizza night.
Nice. You guys always do pizza, right?
Yeah, but we're having people over. We've never done that for.
Are you ordering pizza or
no?
making
We
it?
do homemade pizza.
Oh,
so
fancy.
Yep, we get a little creative. If you've never made homemade pizza, it's so much fun. So,
nice.
yeah.
Very good.